All right, so I just got finished up with my trading session for the day. Today we had super clean price action on NASDAQ, ES, and all that good stuff. So I basically just took one trade today on my 10 PA Apex accounts. As you can see, I ended up making around $232 in my account. So in total, made around $2,300 in profit on the day. So if you guys don't know, I trade live on Zoom Monday through Friday inside my private group. I was able to catch this trade live. So with that being said, let's go ahead and roll the replay from that trade I took live this morning.
Good morning, guys. Welcome. How we doing today? First thing I'll be watching is gold, and let's start with gold. This pullback we got was light relative to this run up we got, so this thing can still continue. But I also don't want to take trades too close to this resistance as well. So we'll see if we see anything. I don't know if we will. Next thing is oil. So we're just trying to crack this resistance, and I want this hold the resistance, become new support. We did kind of fail once we got above here. So we're going to see if this holds or not, or if we come back down into this range again. So pretty simple on oil. Oh, we're selling off. Okay, so we just got to get below this demand zone on ES and gold. It's just a support from yesterday. And then we can look for a trade. 30 seconds setting up on queue. You looking at it? Okay, so this would be the 2-minute setup then. Into this with a stop above here at 45. I'm guessing we're going to get to this consolidation zone. Okay, I'm going to try this short. Stop will be 46-ish. Okay, would love to see 93. All right, there's the fill. Throwing the stop at break even. It's around 25 points. All right, I'm just going to exit that. That's a nice dump. Can't complain about that.
All right, as you guys saw, this is my normal setup I like to play on the 2-minute time frame. And just to show you some context here, let me zoom out on a 1 hour. So basically what's going on in the overall market is this is the election pump. Right when the election happened, we pumped up massively to new highs. We consolidated at the top. We got a huge sell-off a little bit last week, right? And we came back to our old consolidation area. Okay, we're kind of in this range. Now what happened is we bounced off this key support, and yesterday we ripped off of it. Now basically overnight and starting out this morning, we're trying to see if we get above this level, right, to see a rotation back into this old consolidation range at the highs, or if we reject this old support and it would turn into new resistance, right? Now obviously if you guys don't know how I trade already, I only trade with the trend, right? So I want to see, do we actually get back into this range, and are we going to see a rotation back into this level, or are we going to reject it, right? I had to see one side break before I could take a trade, and that's exactly what I did. So now going into the 2-minute time frame, we go to 7:30 where the market opened, 7:30 my time. That was right here. As you can see, we already started to reject that level. We're coming down off of it. We got this light pullback, and then basically This would have been a confirmation candle for me to get in. So basically, I'm looking for an intense move down since I'm looking for shorts because we rejected this level, right? Intense move down and a light pullback. I think I was watching something else, or I was a little bit worried because it was too close to the open that I didn't take this trade. As you can see, we've got an intense sell-off. What happened, a good way to explain this is I always want to see an imbalance of sellers or buyers, right? For me to actually take a trade. So when the buyers and sellers are very balanced, what's going to happen is price action is going to look more like this, right? It's going to be more choppy, right? There's an equal balance of buyers, equal balance of sellers, buyers, right? We've kind of started getting an imbalance of buyers. Obviously, this is during pre-market, but I want to look for those imbalances to give myself a higher probability of winning trades, right? We can see we have a massive sell-off. If this got bought back up and we went back up here, that would be a balance between buyers and sellers. There's no edge on either side. But if we get a massive sell-off and then buyers try to step in, right, but they fail to, and then we get confirmation from more sellers, what does that tell us? The imbalance is still in place. That's where I want to get in. So I want to see an intense move down, a light pullback, and then look for a confirmation candle. I have this RMAC indicator. We're way below the bottom line. Everything is lining up. End up getting short right here, and I rode this to around a 1.2 risk reward ratio. So that was my trade for the day. Obviously, I could have held it longer, but we sold off so quick. This is like a 30-second trade that this thing played out that you never know when it'll just get randomly bought up so fast. So usually when we have that super aggressive sell-off, my trade works out right away. I'll just take it off there. So happy with this trade. Everything worked out to plan. And, pretty much the rest of the day, we've been having super clean price action. As you can see, buyers stepped in and we got a little bit of an imbalance to the buy side. There were some sellers that stepped in, but as you can see, the buyers were still in control because we only retraced around 50% of this move up. Okay, same thing here. Got a big set of buyers. Sellers are starting to take more control now, right? It's starting to get a little bit more balanced because we almost sold off all of this. So this is where now I would stay more cautious, right? We're starting to see more of a balance in the market. So anyways, that was my trade for the day. Super simple. That's how I ended up making that $2,300 in 10 of my PA Apex accounts. And real quick, before you guys go, I want to let you know that I do still have some more spots open for my coaching program, have some more time to help people. So if you're interested, I'm looking for a few more motivated people who are committed to becoming a profitable day trader. If you guys are looking for a very in-depth system and training to follow, explaining my whole entire strategy versus just watching a 5-minute YouTube video, right? Inside of this coaching program, I'll personally teach you my strategy for 30 days. I'll personally be reviewing your trades so you can submit your trades to me. I'll look them over. And I'll even be trading live with you on Zoom Monday through Friday, like you saw from the live session replay this morning. If you guys want to be a part of that, you think this would be helpful for your trading, like I said, this is only available for members of my coaching program. If you guys are interested, I'd love to have you inside. All you have to do is go to that first link in the description below this video. It'll take you over to my Instagram account. Just DM me the word trading on my Instagram account and I'll send you all the details from there. I want to ask you a few questions to make sure you'd be a good fit to join us. So if you're interested, first link in the description below, go to my Instagram, message me the word trading, and I'll send you all the details from there. That being said, guys, as always, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow morning for another live trading session and here on this YouTube channel as well.